Welcome back to TechVibes. Today I am going to show you exactly how to install the MovieBox application on your Android TV. This method is perfect for anyone who does not have the Google Play Store application on their device. You do not need to feel limited just because your television lacks the official App Store. Let us jump right into how to set this up step by step. To get started, we need to open a web browser on your Android TV. This can be any browser you have available, whether it is a Google browser or your system's built-in browser. Go over to the search bar and type in the name of the application, MovieBox. Once the search results load, you will see a few options on your screen. The first and safest option is the web version of the Google Play Store. Even if you do not have the physical Play Store app on your TV, you can still select this link to install the application straight away to your device. Now, if that option does not work for you, do not worry. You can scroll down the page to find alternative third-party website suggestions. You want to look for trusted platforms with high ratings, such as an 8.8 rating or above. Be cautious because some third-party sites do not work perfectly, but the highly rated ones are safer choices. Simply click on the link to begin the installation process. Before you launch your new movie application, I highly recommend using NordVPN. To run any of these applications smoothly on your streaming device without buffering or restrictions, turning on a premium VPN is essential. I have placed the official installation link for NordVPN in the description and top comments below, so you can secure your device right now. Once your connection is protected, return to your home screen. You will see that the application is downloading and installing in the background. Even without the official Google Play Store app, the MovieBox application will appear directly in your main apps list. You can now open it up and enjoy your content. That concludes today's quick guide for TechVibes. If this video helped you install your favorite movie app, please drop a like down below to support the channel. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions during the setup. Smash that subscribe button right now to stay updated on the best tools and tricks for your device. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.